A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to Texan Shaves, and this is my girlfriend, Diana. Say hi.
Hi.
So we got to talking about blizzard battles and menthol, and she has never experienced menthol, so today we're going to go ahead and get her up to speed with Cryogen from Chiseled Face Crematorium. Now, I know a lot of you are at the edges of your seats now going, oh no. So, yeah, this is what we're going to do. Now, look at her beautiful hair. She just got her hair done today. So, I'm going to pull her hair back, and I'm going to get her face a little wet. Just close your eyes. I've already got the brush loaded here, and we're going to, yeah, don't worry about it. It's just water. I've never lathered somebody else. This is weird. So, we're going to put a little lather on her face. We'll work it in a little bit. Need more water. Might get a little messy here. Just gonna do the cheek. Oh, just a little on you. You feel anything yet?
Yeah, it's cold.
Is it cold?
It's not good though. I like it.
Yeah. This has no fragrance, it's just menthol.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
That's what I love it.
Still a little thick, but we're not gonna go full on lather. We're gonna let that sit a second. What does it feel like?
My earring.
Oh, you get an earring? Yeah, take that out. We weren't very prepared for this. We just walked in here and set this up real fast. So. Oh, shouldn't be leaving the water on. All right, I want you to go ahead and rinse that off. All right, we'll be back. We're going to rinse this off and we're going to go for a second lather. All right, we're back. And we're going to go for a second lather for that second menthol burst you get. And we'll see what it feels like for her. Get a little more water on that brush. And so this is going to feel really cold. All right, and tell me if it does.
Aye.
Yeah, is that cold? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's that feeling?
More cold.
Yeah.
I'm a crabby.
Sorry, a little too much water. Let me shake some of that out. Not a very good lather, but it's enough to get you to understand what this is like with heavily mentholated soaps. How's that feel?
Cold.
Go ahead and wipe your neck.
Really cold.
Like really cold?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
I know you really like the scent. Well, there is no scent. It's just menthol in this one. Yeah. All right, we're going to get another rinse. We're going to be back for the aftershave. We're going to put the splash on.
I'm going to cry.
Is it that bad?
I'm asking you.
It's pretty cold, isn't it? That was the winner from last year.
Okay.
All right, we're back again, and she's freezing right now on just half her face. So we're going to use the splash real quick. Hold your hand out, this one here. I'm just going to put a little bit in, cup it like a bowl. That's good. I'm just going to put a little bit. That'll be plenty. Now just rub that on your face. You can rub your hands together if you want.
I thought you were going to do it for me, everything.
Now.
Like that?
Yeah, you're good. How's that feeling? Is it making your eye water?
Yeah.
Yeah? Like vapors in your eye? I can kind of see you in the mirror. Yeah. Sometimes it makes me cry.
I don't like that one. It's too cold.
Tell me what you're feeling.
It's like really cold, and then it's actually feel burning.
Is it burning?
A little bit.
Yeah, it'll go.
So it's just right here.
It'll go away. You see, are you turning red?
No.
No. Sometimes I turn red.
My skin is
But
like
I also do. Yeah, you're tougher than me. No. But sometimes I do 3 passes, and I'm also removing a layer of skin with a razor. So.
Yeah.
But what do you think of the experience?
I like it.
Yeah.
You know, I love menthol, so I would say yes.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Guys, that's it. Just a little fun little thing to do here. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time on the Texas Shaves. Find your peace in what more you can.